Developing effective communication skills is essential for personal and professional success. Here's a concise guide. Active listening. Pay close attention when others speak and show you're engaged through nonverbal cues like eye contact and nodding. Empathy. Understand others' perspectives and emotions. Empathetic communication builds trust and rapport. Clear and concise expression. Speak and write in a clear and straightforward manner. Avoid jargon or overly complex language. Practice public speaking. Overcome fear by practicing public speaking. Start with small groups and gradually work up to larger audiences. Body language. Be mindful of your body language. Maintain open and confident posture and use gestures to support your message. Adaptability. Adjust your communication style to your audience. Tailor your message to suit different individuals and situations. Conflict resolution. Learn to address conflicts constructively by actively listening, empathizing, and finding mutually beneficial solutions. Feedback solicitation. Encourage feedback from others and be open to constructive criticism. This helps you identify areas for improvement. Expand vocabulary. Improve your vocabulary to express ideas more precisely. Read widely and learn new words. Cultural sensitivity. Understand and respect cultural differences in communication styles, customs, and norms. Written communication. Enhance your writing skills. Practice writing emails, reports, and documents that are clear, organized, and error-free. Networking. Develop networking skills to build relationships. Effective networking involves initiating and maintaining meaningful conversations. Presentation skills. If applicable, improve your ability to create and deliver engaging presentations, including using visual aids effectively. Confidence building. Believe in your ability to communicate effectively. Confidence is often half the battle in effective communication. Continuous learning. Communication is an ongoing skill. Continuously seek opportunities to learn, adapt, and improve. Observe role models. Identify individuals with strong communication skills and learn from their example. Communication courses. Consider taking communication courses or workshops to enhance your skills further. Self-reflection. Regularly assess your communication skills and identify areas where you can grow and develop.